well when you get the other three down here.
Yeah.
It's be fun and games.
I'm hoping, well, this is it. I'm hoping when we bring them down that they'll stay down. She might end up just carrying them back up there.
Alright,
No, she won't. No, they're bed here and they're there.
She'll be alright. They'll need the space anyway. Hopefully.
I suppose that she's happier.
Hopefully,
Happy at the time and that, you know.
Clip here.
Well, the problem is she don't like these, so we'll have to see. Territory is ruling at the moment,
Aye,
and upstairs it's the bedroom's now her territory.
aye.
Maisie sits at the door.
No, she doesn't.
Most of the time she sits at the door.
Maisie's in on our bed. They're fine together.
Oh, I know.
But Fifi just is weird.
Well, she's chilling out a lot.
Yeah.
A week ago she wouldn't let her in there.